welcome in the next video. This video is just about the third box of 8, and let's unbox. So let's have a look inside. And as in the previous video, I put everything on here so you can see it too. So this is it, and yeah, I see here iPod nano batteries, Windows, LCD, sound, displays, click wheel. But what I don't see right now is main boards. It seems to be that there are no main boards here, but we will see it closer soon. Ta-da! So let's see what we have here. Boom! We have an iPod Nano 1 first generation front. Those seems to be new. For whatever reason those are cheaper, but I don't see the difference. And white ones. Those was more expensive. Those was 26 francs for only one. Next are the click wheel for iPod Nano 4. Those comes without the wheel. You have to glue this by yourself. Okay, nice. And how much was the new price? 5 francs. Okay. Batteries for the iPod Nano first generation, and this both seems to be in a good condition. We stay by the iPod Nano 1. Here we see this amazing click wheel, and those here are okay, interesting. And the white one, don't ask me what's the difference. I think they are just the same. Nope, they are not the same. Yes, now they are the same. Okay, I don't know, but I think it's something that you don't see, so there is no reason to separate them from each other. And last thing for iPod Nano first generation, beautiful polished cases and back covers, I mean. Only 4 GB, but it's nice. This is the legendary iPod Nano of the keynote from Steve Jobs.
Today, we're going to focus on the iPod mini. Now, the iPod mini is what all of our competitors have their sights focused on. Why? Well, it's obvious. Because the iPod mini is the most popular MP3 player in the world. It's the most popular iPod, and that makes it the most popular MP3 player in the world. So that's the one everybody's focused on. Well, today, we're going to do something pretty bold. Today, we're going to replace it. We're going to replace it with something new. Now, let's go back to the beginning, because we started this all with 1,000 songs in your pocket, right? We started it with the original iPod. And then we carried 1,000 songs in your pocket over to the iPod mini. Well, now we're going to replace the iPod mini with a new player, an entirely new ground-up design that also has 1,000 songs in your pocket. And it's called the iPod Nano. The iPod Nano is the biggest revolution since the original iPod. A lot of people have worked so hard on this over the last many, many months. And it is my privilege to show it to you now. 1,000 songs in your pocket, the iPod Nano. So, let's get a camera. I've got a pocket right here. Now, this pocket's been the one that your iPod's gone in, traditionally. The iPod and the iPod mini fit great in there. You ever wonder what this pocket's for? I've always wondered that. Well, now we know, because this is the new iPod Nano.
Let's go to iPod Nano 2. Window 1 in white. And here we have this nice back and front. They are all in silver, except this one. And it wouldn't surprise me when this one here is original. Oh, look at this. With 2 GB. So cool. And those here are for every size they want. iPod Nano 2 click wheels. Honestly, nothing that spectacular. For our iPod Nano 2 we need of course also battery, and nice battery. This really don't looks anymore good. So no iPod Nano 2 battery, because this year I can trash it. Sad. I still found something for iPod Nano 2. Displays. And you know what that means? I'm able to fix more than one iPod thanks to this display. Oh my god, I think I need to make a video about this before I make the third version. I really don't know why Apple changed on the iPod Nano every generation, the size, components, and on iPhone they just make slow change. On iPad we don't talk even. On Mac, yeah, it's okay to not change often, but I mean here they changed really every generation a complete new design.